Hi there, how are we all doing today? Here we have a product from Lidl. I haven't come across the brand before, but it's supposed to be an English brand, established in 1958. They did bicycles, motorbikes, progressed onto electronics. I've never heard of them. Of them from England. So we've got an air fryer here, 2.5 litres, so it's quite a reasonable one. Like I said, I got it from Aldi, but the good thing about it is that it'll be good for camping because it's quite a low, well, it's not low power, but it's 1450 watts. So it's just like 1500 watts of power. So if you've got a 2 kilowatt inverter, you're able to run this no problem. And of course the battery supplies to go with it. But it's quite a decent size, and this was very cheap at Aldi. This was £24, well, £25. The product's still made in China, like everything else. I'll just flick it on the side just so you can actually see. 240 volt, 1500 watts, 6. Doubling made in China. You've got a 2-year warranty with this, but I gather if you've got it from Lidl, you still get your 3-year warranty. So don't forget to keep that receipt safe. So we'll get it out. So I haven't opened this at all. It's quite a big box, to be honest. My receipt's there. So, just bear with me a second. So it's not that, well, it is big, but it's not as big. As you look, I'm going to cook some sausages and see how long it takes. So, looking at the back, we've got a heat duct out of here, so you don't want too flush up to the wall. There's a little plastic grommeter end to stop you doing that, but I'd leave a little bit more space. It's actually not a bad size, actually. The box was way too big than it should be. So very simple and effective. We've got a time of 60 minutes. And the heat control, and quite a biggest drawer what's taped up at the moment. So it's just like a flatbed drawer. That's why at the top was, here we are. Here, just a little shelving. Does it fit? Fits in nice and snug. There. Let me get my tape measure and we'll do a see how big the inner drawer is. So in my good old tape measure, we have 8.5 inch by 8 3/4 inch. So that's the size. I'll do the depth as well. Nearly 4 inch. So I am in my camper van at the moment. So I'm using my inverter here. Anyway, so, but mine's a 3000 watt inverter. Plug it in. We'll just see what these lights are. Nothing. We've got no lights. It's a ding dong. I wonder if... Oh, I'm not... Silly me, I haven't put the drawer in properly. My mistake. So, as you can hear, the fan is quite loud anyway. You've got an on button and a green button, so I gather the green, and then once it reaches temperature, I gather it'll change colour. We'll put it down to a low temperature. I have to say it is quite a noisiest fan, that one. So we've got fries and different things, what your cooking times, but it's a matter of time of just getting used to it anyway. So like I say, I'm going to cook some sausages for about 10 minutes. 5 minutes we'll get them out and we'll see how it goes. From there, these are some quite thick sausages, these anyway, like farmer sausages, what I call them. So we'll put them up to, well, we'll put it up to maximum and see how it goes. So we'll turn it off a second. I put 3 sausages in. I can feel the heat, what it's generated. All right. So these are like big farmer sausages. As you can see, you'll probably get 12 in there. Yeah, plenty of room. Got all this tape on. So 10 minutes, we've set it at 200. So we'll come back in 5 minutes and see how it's doing. Okay. So we're coming up to 5 minute marker now. So we'll have a look. So we have, it's already turning brown. I'll give them a little bit of move round. The one near the drawer isn't as cooked as much. So we'll put more into the middle. And I've just looked at it before. It's this light what comes in and out when it's the temperature. Well, I'll move it down. As you can see, that comes on and off. And so the green is just the power. So I thought I'd get me a better look and take a measure out. We'll do a bit of measurement of the main unit. So we're nearly 10 inches width. Again, nearly 10 inches. It looks like it's slightly a bit bigger at the bottom, but that's probably be 10 inches. And we have got, there is 11.5 inches high. So it's quite tallish, quite sturdy to be fair. So if you've got it on side as a camper van, I'd strap it down or put a bit of blue tack or something at the bottom to stop it sliding round. But otherwise, yeah, it's okay. As you see, it reached up to temperature then. We'll let it carry on. So it's just pinged now. So I've done 10 minutes. Wow, that's just perfect. Oh, look at them sausages. Can you see? They're just perfect. I was looking in the instruction, it's even done underside as well. That's perfect. Just how I like them. I was looking on instructions and it was saying that 15 to 18 minutes to cook these for, so this is it's nearly half time what from a normal grill. We'll split it up, one up, and let's have a look in the middle. All nice and juicy. What I'll probably do is run it for another 2 minutes just to make sure. But they look quite nice as they are. So as you can see again, just click it go in, still at temperature. So I'll just cook it for a couple of minutes more. As you can see, it came on then. Perfect. So there we have it, 2 minutes later. So this is like I said, 12 minutes. And they're sizzling away like sausages should. As you can see in there, I'll bring this beautiful cooked sausages up. Fantastic. And I'd like to say, well, I'm not going to touch this metal bit outside, but round the side it's just warmish, and same on front here, but don't touch that metal bit or that will be red hot. I know that straight away. So what a fantastic bit of equipment. I'll enjoy them sausages very shortly. Oh, and thanks very much for you return customers. I've up to 1,000 subscribers, so that is a mammoth stone for me. Thanks very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Any questions about it, please let me know. I've got some other air fryers on my channel as well, what I have in my camper van. Even a big one, what I can put even a pizza in. 11-inch pizza goes in perfect. Thanks for watching.